Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to go over a fairly easy limits question of as x approaches 3 of 16x squared plus 8x minus 32. It's pretty easy to do. This is probably a medium level exam question that we'll go over. We're going to use three main limit laws. It's going to be the constant law, the summation law, and the difference law. So with these laws, we're going to solve this question. So let's get right into it. So the first step we're going to do is probably going to notice that these all have a common factor of 8. So we could factor out an 8 to begin with, so because it's going to be the inside of this limit is going to be as x approaches 3 is going to be 8 times 2x squared plus x minus 4. So that is our first step. Our second step is to then use the constant law and put this 8 outside of this limit. So this becomes 8 limit x approaches 3 of 2x squared plus x minus 4. And then we can then use the summation law and the difference law to distribute this limit into all these terms separate individually. So this becomes 8 times limit of x approaches 3 of 2x squared plus limit of x approaches 3 of x minus, this is difference law, limit of x minus 3 of 4. And then we have 8 times, we can again use the constant rule to take this 2 out into the outside of this limit, so that becomes 2 times limit of x approaches 3 of x squared plus limit of x approaches 3 of x is equal to just 3, and then as x approaches 3, the constant just remains as a constant, so we have minus 4. Next, we're going to do a little bit of algebra. So this will be 8 times 2 and x approaches 3. This becomes 3 times 3 or 3 squared, and that's 9, and then 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and that becomes 8 times 18 minus 1, that becomes 8 times 17. We have our answer of 8 times 17 of 136, and that is our final answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next one.